In this question, you're asked to integrate 10 pi plus pi by 6 to 10 pi plus pi by 3 sin x plus cos x and integration 0 to 100 e power x minus integer part of x dx. So let us look at the first question. So you have a formula which says that integration nt plus a to n times t plus b f of x dx. If f is a periodic function with period t, this will be exactly equal to integration from a to b fx dx. You can remove this part. Now if you look at sin x plus cos x, sin x is a periodic function with period 2t. Cos x is also a periodic function with period 2t. So sin x plus cos x is a periodic function with period 2pi. Now this 10 pi is nothing but, as you can see, 5 times the period t. So this looks like integration 5 times t plus pi by 6 to 5 times t plus pi by 3 f of x dx. So can this be written as integration just from pi by 6 to pi by 3 fx dx, that is sin x plus cos x dx? Yes. So now I can integrate this very easily. Sin x's integration is minus cos x, cos x's integration is plus sin x from pi by 6 to pi by 3. So that is equal to, if you do the substitution in cos x, minus 1 is a constant, so minus of cos pi by 3 half minus cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2 plus sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2 minus half. So this is also root 3 by 2 minus half if you multiply with a minus. This is also root 3 by 2 minus half. So 2 times root 3 minus 1 by 2. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So you get root 3 minus 1 as the answer. So the integration of this is root 3 minus 1. Next, if you go to this question, so this is nothing but integration 0 to 100 e power x minus integer part of x is nothing but fractional part of x dx. And fractional part of x is a periodic function with period 1. So if fractional part of x is a periodic function with period 1, e power fractional part of x is also a periodic function with period 1. So this is something like 0 to 100 times period. So this can be written as 100 times integration 0 to 1 e power fractional part of x dx. And as x is in between 0 to 1, fractional part of x is same as x. So that is equal to 100 times integration 0 to 1 e power x dx. That is equal to 100 times integration of e power x is e power x from 0 to 1, that is 100 times e minus 1. So this is the integration of this.